How to activate dark mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate dark mode on your iPhone in the most simplest way. Now let's begin. So going to each app and then changing their theme to dark mode will take a lot of work. So what we can do is we can change our entire phone's interface to dark mode. Now you can turn on your dark mode by simply going to your control panel, simply swipe, and then you should see an option that says dark mode. Now if you don't find it on your control panel directly, long press on your brightness option, and here you should see dark mode option right there. Now this is the one I'm talking about. Simply tap on it and then the dark mode will get turned on. Now if we head back to any of our apps, you'll notice that the dark mode is turned on. Now, if you don't want this option here and you want it outside, what you can do is you can tap on the plus icon on the top left. After you tap on the plus icon on the top left, tap on add a control. And after you tap on add a control, you will see the dark mode option. Tap on it and you will get the option right here. Now you can place it wherever you want, and then yeah, that is how you do it. Now if you want to turn this off, tap on it and dark mode will get turned off. To turn it on, again tap on it and it will get turned on. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can activate dark mode on iPhone in the most simplest way. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.